Welcome to the Gondola Train's Pallet Racking Steel Structure Moving System, the easiest way to move an entire warehouse of pallet racking or structure steel fixtures. Let's get started. This system comes packed within the red metal job box, which houses all of the moving system's parts for convenience of shipping and storage. The basic parts of the system include the jack assemblies, wheel turning handles, detent safety pins, ratchets, hardware kit, and either the transport wheels or the Outrigger Arms. You'll also get your choice of mounting brackets to fit your specific needs, all of which can be wheeled right off the box on the workflow carts. When determining weight capacity for the move, please note that each jack and mounting bracket are engineered to handle up to 5,000 pounds. Ensure that each fixture section's weight is under this limit. The first step is to approach the shelving unit with the first jack and saddle or mounting bracket to determine where to attach. Next, mount the appropriate mounting bracket to the first vertical rack leg, with its bottom no lower than 8 inches from the floor or its top higher than 28 inches from the floor. Within this range, place the saddle as low as possible. For the snap-in saddle, hold it up by the top 2 snap pins, with arrows pointing up and the top facing out. Position the saddle on the upright by retracting the snap pins and engaging them into the side holes. Repeat this process for the bottom snap pins and ensure that all 4 snap pins are fully engaged into the side holes of the beam. For the bolt-on saddle, align the saddle at the proper height and connect it to the upright using the supplied bolts or locking pins. You must attach with a minimum of 2 bolts. The structural steel mounting bracket has a variety of methods to mount. For the faceplate mount, align the bracket at the proper height and attach with 4 bolts to ensure a stable connection. We strongly recommend installing the 2 detent safety pins between snap-in pop pins or bolts. This is if the fixture structure has holes available. Make sure the pins are completely through the saddle and upright, with the locking ball exposed in its locked position. Once a saddle mount has been attached to all of the legs, approach with the proper number of jacks for every leg. Roll the jack forward and align it with the mounting bracket. Hold the jack by the handle and place a foot on the transfer caster like so. Tilt the jack slightly forward until the aligning pins on the jack lifting bracket align with the mounting bracket alignment grooves. Raise up the jack bracket until the alignment pins are to the top of the alignment bracket grooves. It is important to note that you must install the detent pin into the locking pinhole, as it ensures that the mounting bracket has been attached correctly to the jack lifting bracket. Before you fully lift the structure, turn the wheels in the direction of the initial movement, using the wheel turning handles. If everything checks out, continue to raise the jack until the bottom of the rack is off the floor half an inch or as required to clear obstructions. Please keep the structure lifting height to as minimal as possible. It is important to note that you cannot use impact wrenches to raise and lower the upright. If you are working within a tight space, you can still perform this entire mounting process with ease using the bolt-on mounting saddle. Now you are ready to move. Remember, for safety while moving, you should always try to push the unit instead of pulling. Push low on the uprights at a steady pace, and always be mindful of your feet next to the jacks. The entire process for both mounting and movement can also be applied to the alternative Outrigger Arms. After you take the shelf to the desired location, lower the jack until the alignment pins reach the bottom of the saddle grooves, and the jack can roll out freely. After ensuring that the jack has been lowered completely, you can place it back onto the workflow cart and wheel it back into the red metal job box for convenient access for your next big move. Visit our website for more information or call us at 608-763-4216.